I just realized that I assigned some mean homework for number 12, but I think they're beautiful problem, but they are definitely multiple parts. I'm going to go ahead and do number 29, and I'll just go backward. 29 now, it says, in an experiment with 10 pairs of stores, the difference in month increase sale between the store that used coupons and the store with the outside poster had a mean of 3,294. You're looking at the difference. Use the output shown to test that the population mean difference is 0. Carrying out the 5 steps of significance test, make a decision using a 0.05 significance level. So, okay, we're not really doing the test here. It looks like they already did the test for us. So I'm just going to go ahead and look at this output table and then go through the questions they're asking. So let's take a look. State the assumptions for significance test of a population mean. Now, remember we did go over at least 3 assumptions for each of these tests. And 9.3 was about significance test of a population mean. So if you go to that slide, there are 3 things that I listed for you that we should check. And assumptions are the first thing that we should check before we go even write the hypothesis. So here you go. Significance test about mean. You gotta check 3 things. Number 1, the variable has to be quantitative. Okay, and if they're looking at the average sales, that sounds quantitative to me. So yes, the variable is quantitative. The second one, they need to use some kind of randomization to collect the data. And I think they did mention the word random. Let's take a look. Comment F, random. They didn't say it, but can I go ahead and say it was random? Can I go ahead and assume it? Probably, so that I can go on with the process. And then the population distribution is approximately normal. Now, did they also say that? No, they didn't. No, they didn't. No, what are we doing though? State the assumptions. Oh, so they just want you to state the assumptions. Okay, so we got those. The variable is quantitative. Yes. Population distribution is approximately normal. So that's something that we need to assume. But there's missing one thing. They need to also mention the word randomization. So I think C is it. C must be it. The variable is quantitative. Yes. We needed that. Data production employs randomization, and population distribution is approximately normal. This is straight for my slide. All right, so check. Awesome. Let's take a look at the next part. Continue. State the null and alternative hypothesis. They said that over here. Test the mu equals 0 versus mu does not equal to 0. So the null hypothesis saying that the mean, the population mean is 0. The null hypothesis is saying that the population mean is 0, while the alternative, the versus, is saying that the population mean is not equal to 0. They're not saying it's positive. They're just saying it's not equal to 0. So we're going to go with C. The population mean is 0. That's what the null says. And the population mean is not 0 is what they are saying for the alternative. So there you go. Go ahead and check the answer. Excellent. Continue. Find the test statistic from the given table. Where are you? Test statistics. Here it is. T. 2.961. 2.961. Sorry guys, I don't know what kind of output table this is. It just looks a little different. But when we did StatCrunch output table, you guys knew exactly what number stood for what. But it just looks like a slightly different output table. But when you maybe get a job later, they may not let you use StatCrunch. They may make you use who knows, SAS or SPSS or Minitab or Excel. So just gotta understand that the important pieces are still given, maybe just written in different formats, right? What's the p-value? Look at the p-value right there. They just listed as p. It's gonna be 0.01593. Oh my gosh, they want you to round this to 3 decimal places. So I'm going to round this up to 0.016. That's a very small p-value, isn't it? So I want to continue and now finally make that conclusion, right? With the small p-value like this, which is smaller than 0.05, we do have a strong evidence against the null hypothesis. So we do have evidence. there is evidence that the coupon led to different sales than did the outside poster. So this kind of fits with, what we talked about, comparing two different groups. But I think, just reviewing what we went over in the significance test, chapter 9, I think you should still be able to kind of do it, but maybe when you saw that completely different looking output table, because this isn't from StatCrunch, right? But we have to just kind of look for the pieces carefully. Hopefully this video explained number 29 well. I'm gonna go ahead and post this one, and then I will do another one soon, okay? I may just be able to, guys, just maybe finish like homework number 12 and 11 tonight. Homework 12 is the popular one, huh? All right, but I need to go pick up my son very soon, but I'm gonna keep on going. I'm gonna keep on recording more videos, okay?